Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is investing into the share market. Investing into the share market is halal and allowed, but it has its own conditions. Unless and until these conditions are fulfilled, the investment cannot be called halal. The first and foremost condition is the business of the company must be halal. The company must be share compliant. So halal business means the companies who are doing like banking cannot be called halal. Special the conventional banking dealing into the riba or interest is not halal. The finance companies dealing into the investment riba is or interest based financing is not halal. Any company doing liquor business, companies doing gambling, casinos, hotels are not halal. So you cannot invest into the share of these companies. This must have to be kept in mind when we are investing into the share market. But having the halal business is not enough. The company must be Sharia compliant company. Means the company's income should not come, a substantial of income of the company should not come from the haram sources or interest earnings, or company should not have excess debt, interest bearing debt on its balance sheet. There are the limits which is allowed as per Sharia standards. So company must be Sharia compliant. When we are investing into any Sharia company, we must check it's a Sharia index or a Sharia report which allows or classifies the company as a Sharia compliant company. You can invest only to the equity of the Sharia compliant company. You can invest into the Islamic debt on the share market and Sharia compliant mutual funds or exchange traded funds. Sharia compliant mutual fund or exchange traded funds are the funds which deal with the halal business and Sharia compliant companies only. All such funds must have Sharia auditors and must give their regular reports that they are Sharia compliant. You can invest into the such funds or recurring investment. What is not halal, that is again very important point, and that must be avoided. So the process of investment must be halal. Unless and until we have the halal investment process, it cannot be called halal investment. So short selling is not halal. Day trading is not allowed and cannot be called halal. Currencies trading is not halal and cannot be allowed, and it is not Sharia compliant. Sharia has strictly forbidden the currency trading. Derivatives trading is not halal and cannot be called Sharia compliant. Margin trading, where you put a very small amount to trade on the share market, is not allowed. So when we are investing into the share market, we must understand that the investment is allowed only to the extent it is a Sharia compliant. Everything on the share market is not halal. Second most important point is earning halal is a very important responsibility of every Muslim. Earning halal has its own benefits. It will give you barakah, good health and peace of mind. Keep your watch open and earn halal for the healthy and better tomorrow for you here and hereafter. Unless and until you earn halal and eat halal, you will not enter into the Jannah. There is a hadith, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a mole of which you eat haram, it will have its effect on your body for 40 days. Not only that, it is so strict that Anybody which is feed on the haram sources cannot enter the Jannah. His dua, his prayers will not be acceptable. So keep your watch open, earn halal, stay blessed. Thank you very much.